Make your Android ring like an iPhone today. For this, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Next, in the address bar, type iPhone ringtone and click on Search. Now, scroll and tap on any one of the links from the results. Here, you will see the list of results. Scroll through them and select any option from the results. Once you are okay with the ringtone, click on the download block. It will take a few seconds, and the ringtone will be downloaded. Now, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and click on the Sounds and Vibration option. Next, tap on the Ringtone option. After that, click on the plus icon. Here, select the recently downloaded ringtone and tap on Done. This will be added and set as the ringtone. From now on, when you receive a call, you can hear the iPhone ringtone. And that's it.